muna tayo bago tayo manood ng mga show. Yan, kaya pumasyal kayo sa Baluarte. Yan, selfie sa mga hayop na yan, mga ibon. Yan, mga peacock. Mga kanya-kanyang diskarte sa pagsaselfie. Yan, mga side view daw. Yan kasi mga magbibinata na mga kasama ko. Di bale, 5 lahat kami dyan. 2 yung anak ko, saka 3 pamangkin ko. Ayan guys, 5 sila. Ayan, pasyal-pasyal din pag may time. Kasi dyan lang naman sila masaya. Diba? Kahit pa paano, napasaya mo sila. Ayan, nag-selfie-selfie muna kami bago kami manood ng show dito sa Baluarte guys.
Okay, so dito po sa Baluarte Zoo, meron po tayong 2 klase ng python. So we have here the Burmese python and the albino Burmese python. So kung pumunta lang po kayo, pumunta ka lang po kayo sa Nazi Station, which is the reptile station, na andun po yung albino Burmese python. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ulit our exhibitory fans together with our zookeeper for doing the job well. The classic and sugar glider. So the regular is the gray and the rare is the leucistic sugar glider. Yung kulay puti. Okay, so bakit kaya sila naging kulay puti? Because the process of pigmentation in an animal is white, pink, coloration, and the skin are clear. Okay, at nakapag-breed na po kami ng sugar glider here in Baluarte Zoo. So kaya naman po, palakpakan po natin ulit our champion. And proud to say that is made of the Philippines. Now their physical characteristic is half bear and half cats. And they are excellent climbers, but their moving is slower. And apart from the monkey, they use their tail for rock speed on branches mountain trees. So ginagamit nila ang kanilang buntot para kumapit. Okay, and they call cats because they have whiskers like cats. So parang silang pusa. And they call bear because they stand up perfectly with its 2 hind feet. Come on, Mindy, can you show your skill? And since they are on the secret honey, they smell like popcorn or a distinct set of powder. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, palakpakan po natin ulit ang Pinky, the Palawan, Okay guys, and we take pride with our 3 big cats. So we have the Bengal tiger, the white lion, the regular leopard, and as you can see, when you're going around, and here is the rare black leopard, so which is the black panther. Now the black panther is the male instinct called the black panther. The largest of and